Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. We have 2019 Infiniti QX60. We just want to know if we will be able to diagnose this car using Autel MaximIm 608. Okay, this is the tools, and just to let you know about the tool also, how does it work. It has a couple of functions. It has history. It has US made cars, European made car, Asian made car, China made car. And this piece here is OBD2. OBD2 just it doesn't mean any car. This is generic. As soon as you click it, it will look for the way to communicate with the car, and it will give you a broad diagnostic. And here is something that also is good. It has mode 6, which is a manufacturer specification, and it will give you some numbers, you see, and it will give you a lot of information like vehicle statute. If you are in a hurry and you just want to read codes, numbers are like $signs SE8, transmission control $signs 7E8, mill status off, one code found, monitors is 2 is ready or maybe not available, monitor 2 not available, monitors okay, monitor incomplete. It will tell you all this. Escape. I have something here, DTC, you know, like it will show you some codes, but this is called it generic. You can check any car. You see here, fuel rail, that's the code P0087, fuel rail, pressure sensor, fuel rail system pressure, too low bank 1, fuel rail system pressure, too low bank 1, and pending. Same code review, same code come reveal itself 2 times. I don't want to clear the code, but here is emission system, if it is ready or not. Since it cleared DTC, this drive cycle, it will show you that this is a monitor, misfire monitor is okay, fuel system monitor is incomplete, comprehensive monitor is okay, catalytic incomplete, heat catalytic not available, incomplete, not available, incomplete. This car needs to be drive. At least one is not complete. You can pass the inspection. Go back again. Onboard monitors. It have, you know, like it's going through generic, and generic always there is no specification. Maybe it will give you engine and transmission, but no ABS, nothing. No ABS information, no like component accessories is not. So Infiniti, let me see what I have there. You see now here it's talking about $signs. Here is where you can see and you know how to get the value. Exhaust gas sensor monitor bank 1. Look at those are the could be the component, mid TID, mini-max, the value now. Unit result, okay, look at the result here. Okay, those are the component. One of them is supposed to be the engine ID or anything, and here is a component, $signs. This is the technology of the original information. It talks to dealer information. For example, test ID. This is a test ID 89. And you see that the minimum supposed to be minus 32.768, and maximum supposed to be 0.399, but right now we have minus 0.030, which is not bad. Minus 32, it pass, even though like, yeah, it pass. So this is like how it is. Now the test ID 01A, test ID is A9 minus 0.450 to 32.77, and now we have 0.030, and the value right now I believe, and it's okay. It show you anything that is okay. If there is a problem, it will tell you, look, this test, and this is for exhaust gas sensor bank monitor bank 1 sensor 1. You keep going for all those monitors. Now we go to the other one, exhaust gas sensor monitor bank 2. You see also, you say okay, everything is good. It will give you the value too. Exhaust gas sensor monitor bank 2 sensor 1. It give you all the information, the data, what you need to be, what you need not to be. Exhaust gas sensor monitor bank 2, they are good too. Maximum sensor voltage, catalytic bank 1. Those value is very important. Test ID, minimum 0, maximum 0, value now is 0, it pass. VVT monitor, look at it. Those are the place where you can understand the sensor. The test ID 88. I don't know MID, what does that mean? But if you know, please give us. And now here they say that minus 13.0 to 63.0, but this is 7.5. Okay. Here is minus. When you say minus, it's gonna be up all the way to 0. So here is 13 to 0. Okay, 13 maximum, but we have a 0.0, not bad. So everything here unit. Now VVT Mactronic, everything look good. EVAP, you see the EVAP. Parish fellow monitors. You have to go like this. Look at the data. If anything that up or down, you know that sometimes it could be near failure. Here is 65 point to 0.815. Value is 0.815. Here is minus 0. You cannot go beyond this. You cannot go 0.00. It's gonna fail. So here is the test. Here is the value, that minimum, maximum. If this is go beyond this, it goes 0.00. That's something wrong. Exhaust gas sensor heater. You see how it show you. And keep going. Exhaust gas sensors. Fuel monitor. Fuel system monitor. You remember last time we say there is a fuel pressure is low. Misfire data. Any misfire, please. The count. 0 to 600, you see 32. Almost misfire. And maybe those are cylinders. Maybe A is cylinder number 1 or anything. It could be some misfire data 3, 4. You see here also there is a misfire. Acceptable misfire A5. Maybe it can go up to 8. A7, but I believe there is one here. Anyhow, this is some of the data that you need to study and understand. Now, this is for onboard monitors, vehicle information, engine off, you see. You key on, vehicle general information. Let me see. Here, general information, calibration, it give you engine, all is dollar signs. Vehicle enhancement, maybe more in depth. In use, performance tracking, the spark ignition engine IUPR, distance traveling since EVAP monitor. I don't know, but look at the monitoring. Okay, EGR, all this. Okay, now you want to do something more. Component test. Inducement system reinitialization, EVAP system leak. I'm not going to go there. Live data. Let me start the car. That's the reading bits. It's totally different. You see now it give you all the dollar signs, calculated load. I don't know where is my RPM. You see here is RPM. If there's any mistake, it can give it to you. So this is a generic. I'm gonna exit this one, protocol. If you wanna communicate with the car through one of those communication data, if you know which protocol you need it. Now the next one is to go by VIN. This is where all the people agree, the community of or the association of automotive engineering society, they come up with this one. You have the VIN number, you say okay, and now this for all car, for the whole car, whatever you want. North America car, when you say yes, 2019, you're gonna go coding. I don't want to go in coding. I don't know what they mean coding here. Coding online backup, coding online restore, coding, I don't know what that means, but you have to have subscription. Please write in the coding data after replacing the new ECU. Please write in the correct data of the testing vehicle. The ECU may not work properly if enter coding data is incorrect. So let me see what they say here. Maybe you have to save it and then write it back. I'm not sure. Communicating unit telematic is being initialized. I don't know what that means, but maybe they have some communication with the control unit. AVM is being initialized. I never did this one here, but it may have some stuff to do with. I'm not gonna write anything. Maybe this is only communication. You're not gonna do anything. Maybe you read and write back to something. I am here just wasting time to give you an idea where you're gonna go with those tools. They are great tools. They're working fine. Spend some of time to learn. Now here, if you change anything and you want to get the information, maybe you have to read it and write it back. ICC ADS and Intelligent Cruise Control, ICC Advanced Driving Assistance. Maybe you have to read some information and then write it down or copy it. I'm not gonna go to this one here. Okay, when you go to Diagnose Control Unit, you choose the one that you want to check. You want to check the engine. On the other OBD2 generic, you have only engine or transmission. Here you have more depths. Be sure your battery is good. Read code. You remember I have a code for evap or for vehicle pressure, vehicle low pressure fuel. I'm gonna go back and delete this code. I did not turn the ignition off. Let me see if clear it or not. Code cleared. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, Brooklyn, New York, United States of America. Thank you.